Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Vardha Hossaini from Economic Club Karachi, and in today's economic review desk we will be discussing as usual important news, economic news which could help out investors to invest. When we're talking about the investments, so yes, the safe haven, exactly, that yellow metal uh, plays a very important role, from the investor's point of view. When we're talking about the goals, so goal on Monday 17th of February to 2025 has gained the positive traction due to that same sustained weak US dollar. Basically, the US dollar hegemony is being challenged, and it's very much evident from the construction and the formation of different forums like BRIC. Uh, and I think that it's not only evident to the specified countries, but I think globally the economies and the decision makers, they have started shifting from dollar to the other mode of payment. As we could see that within the past 2 to 3 years, China has come off with their 18% of US debt, and they're also shifting to the new mode of transaction. When we're talking about Russia, so this is the same thing at their front also, and now the move on the brakes, that is also evident. On the other hand, when we are talking about the gold rates due to, and the effects on the gold rate due to the dollar weakness, we could also say this, that the tariff levied by President Trump is also strengthening this yellow metal. On the other hand, we could see that the dialogue between Saudi, between USA, between Russia is expected, and it is also expected that there could be some term which they could come across, and that will for sure affect again on the demand of coal. But as per the recent development, the Russian recent attack on Ukraine has also strengthened and provide benefit to this yellow metal. And as per analysis, the further gain in the gold rate is expected. So if you want to invest, so again we will be suggesting the same thing to our investor, that we have put everything before you, and the geopolitical conditions and tariffs and the other decisions, they are also there before you. So if you want to invest, so do invest, but invest wisely. When we are talking about the oil prices, so oil prices, they have again have shown the bearish trend, and it has reduced. And the bearish trend in the oil prices are again due to the geopolitical tension and uncertainty, specifically between Russia and Ukraine. On the other hand, this is also expected that the sanctions, if there is a deal, announced between Russia and Ukraine, so it is also expected that the sanctions which were, there on Russia, that will be lifted up. And when it will happen, so for sure the Russian oil there will be in the market, and when that's there in the market, so again that will be providing a good supply to the oil buyers, and again that will affect the oil prices, and it is expected that it will go further down. Yet, when we're talking about oil, so let's discuss some oil related things in Pakistan also. When we're talking about Pakistan's economy, so recently we have experienced that government has reduced oil product prices by 1 rupee, and further. But as per the official documents which we have received, so the freight charges on the petrol, they have increased by 1.4 per liter, and which is raising the total cost to 5.79 per liter from the previously set prices that was on February 1st, which was about 4.37. Basically, this adjustment come a day after government announced a reduction in the petrol prices by 1 liter, and due to this the consumer they have lost 1.42 per liter relief in petrol prices and zero point 0.5 per liter in diesel prices.